Kimberley. As the ANC Youth League, we discussed in detail the issue of youth participation in the economy. And one of the things that we picked up, Comrade Zulu, is that the youth of this country, statistically speaking, are gradually being kicked out of the SMME sectors. If you go to a lot of villages, a lot of townships where most of us are from, almost 80% or more of our spaza shops are actually run by Somalians, Pakistanis, anyone else. But our youth are no longer participating in that sector. And this, unfortunately, has led to a situation where more than 200 billion, according to what MoneyWeb reported, more than 200 billion annually is actually going towards the foreign nationals from our informal sector, our spaza shops and our hardware, and some of these funds are actually leaving the country, meaning that we are not even benefiting from this sector. Now, as the ANC Youth League, we took a resolution, as pronounced by our president and our SG, that like other countries have done, you look at the SMME Act of Lesotho, I think it's section 5.8, which I read in detail. They are saying that only locals are allowed to participate in the small to medium enterprises sector. So as the Youth League, we took a conscious decision to say that we are calling for a complete ban of foreign nationals to run spaza shops in our villages.